Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Well, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Mike's Militaria. Feel free to check out the stock at mikesmilitaria.you-know-what. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Going to be a manifest. Not. Took some notes. Alright, so we got helmet covered. Another helmet. This box out of the way. No padding. Nice. Alright, so let's start with the easiest one first. We got a Czech M1960 Strichtarn Camo hood / helmet cover used. So it's in the Reading camo pattern. Czech origin. Let's take off some of this fluff here. Storage. I need a little bit of a cloth to get off that part. So you can see how it looks on the interior as well. Kind of that almost leopardy looking print, if you can see it. You have a fastening button there for tightening it up with this loop. Once this is buttoned onto a jacket collar, you can see the buttonholes there for attaching to a jacket collar. And in order to turn this into a hood, there are these front patterns of buttons here for multi-adjustment from these two buttons holes there and there, or it can be used as a helmet cover, which I might use on something else. So again, Czech M1960 Strichtarn camo helmet cover. Now we got two of these helmets here. We'll start with this one. This one was listed as a Yugoslavian M1959/85 steel helmet used, and then under Serbian Navy. So you can see the decal logo there. Two-headed bird with grasping two anchors, and then the colors of the flags for identification. Looking around at the sides, nice wear. If we look at the liner, looks pretty intact. Got chin strap, head support, leather headband, various attachment points. It's a flush outside, but it's metal clips on the inside to attach the suspension system. So again, the Navy version. If we take a look at the other one with the logo, this one should be the Air Force version, which is the two-headed bird. Not grasping anything, but below is these two logos here, and sword facing that direction, and again the colors of the flags. So similar wise, different birds, two heads each, similar tail, and then underneath the talons are different patterns, and this one has a sword, but the flag colors are actually, let's see, the top flag is the same. Oh yeah, okay, I just wasn't looking at it in the right order. tags are also the same as well. So, again, we got two versions of the Yugoslavian M1959/85 steel helmets used, one being Serbian Navy, the other being Serbian Air Force. So, two of those, and we started off with the Czech M1960 Strichtarn camo hood helmet, covered used. And again, these came from Militaria. Just happen to have an extra sticker. Feel free to check out Militaria for current stock of a large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp tools, and other expanded topics. We also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.